to open Yahoo Mail without verification code. So if you want to open Yahoo Mail without verification code, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser. Once you open up your browser that you're comfortable with, you just need to simply go with the search. Under search, you need to search for Yahoo. Once you've searched, go with the first, which is www.yahoo.com. And once you click on it, here on the upper right, you will have sign in option. Click on sign in, and it will take you to the sign in page where you just need to simply enter your username, email address, or your mobile number and go with next. And after that, you need to simply click on I'm not a robot and verify. After that, click on continue and then enter your password and then go with next. Now you just need to simply go with not now, and that's it. That's how you can open up your Yahoo Mail without the verification code. You just need to simply go and enter your password, and after that it will be signed in. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.